Hi, welcome back. I have been cleaning my room and now I have my gems and my glitter close to me. So I have clean space. I thought I would repurpose this art. I did it in 2022. I had it for sale, still sitting with me. So now I'm gonna turn it hopefully into a fantasy ocean theme. We'll see. I went ahead, I taped the edges, took some scissors, trimmed it, taped down the holder so it doesn't get messy. And look at. So I thought this would be good. And look at, this is a piece that did crack and craze originally. I sealed it. But now, let's turn it into something else. So, just want to make sure. Yep. We are level. Went ahead, I mixed up some resin. I'm using the last of my Unicone art resin that I found while cleaning my room. And I sprinkled some of this glitter in already. So let's give it another mix. I didn't put a lot. I mixed up 3 ounces of resin, so 1.5 ounces of both. Part A, part B. It's been sitting just a few minutes, not too long, but it is super cold in here. I mean, by cold, I mean, I think my house got down to 69 degrees, but it affects the resin. The resin in the bottles are both just heavy and thick and cold. So I mixed them, and now that the chemical reaction is happening, it's starting to warm up. Bubbles are releasing. I was thinking I had to get my bubble machine out, my resin bubble machine, but I don't. I'm good. This is gonna work. And this project will be done on multiple layers. So we're gonna do steps, and that's the best way to do resin to get texture, multiple layers. So the first step right now, I'm gonna put the rocks. I got these crystal rocks that I've had, and I got a ton of. Got them at Michael's several years ago. They were $4.99 and 80% off. And now I'm sure they're like double price that. But look at, time to use them. They're like crushed up mirror. So they're white on the back and mirror reflective on the one side. So that's cool. So I'm just going to kind of make a border with those. This very small border, not built up too high. And then we're going to pour the sparkle resin. So the sparkle resin will be everywhere. I'm going to let that cure. And then maybe for day 2, we will add the waves, the white waves. Maybe. Haven't decided yet. We're going to kind of not make a solid plan. We're just going to kind of go with it, see what happens. Okay. So this looks good to go. Just double checking. And okay. Let's, oh yeah, I did find these too. They're like flakes. So I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but I pulled them out just in case. So let's start with the first layer. Just pour them on. You could mix these up in resin first. That is fine. I've done that. Not sure why I chose not to do it this time, but I thought we'll just go with it. I'm gonna kind of make a border. Just small. Maybe I'll regret not mixing these with resin. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. See, this thing lasts forever. And I've got like another 5 of these. So So go check out the sales at Michael's, especially after the holidays, whatever holiday, Easter, spring, fall. Especially when it hits 80% off, 70, but you got to be quick on those. Even at 50% off, it's a great deal. Okay, I think this needs to go up here. Just to follow, I'm trying to follow this pattern a little bit. Just so it looks more natural, intentional. Ah, that looks way better actually. And this is a great way to repurpose some art that you have hanging around. I did love this. I love this piece. It took me a while to decide I'm going to do something else with it. But it does. It looks like water and waves. It did crack a little, but you know what? I did like that. I thought it was awesome. Sealed it with a few coats of crystal clear Rust-Oleum spray. So I think I used silicone in this at one point, so I don't think that's going to be an issue because it's been covered, it's been cleaned, it's been sitting, so we will just see what happens. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if we can get that to stay. If it doesn't work, then I can reshape it. So here's this. First thing I want to do, I'm just going to drizzle right on top. See about getting all the pieces covered. Just a nice layer. And this isn't about covering the entire piece of resin. If it happens, that's great. If not, that's great. We're doing multiple layers. And I'm going to let this set anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, just depending on my time and what's happening a little bit later today also. Okay, now I'm just pouring alongside of it to make sure we get some resin alongside. So pretty so far. Okay, now I'm going to come over here where you can't see and get my heat gun. It used to be out till I cleaned my room. I'm going to plug it in and just heat it up a little bit. This is releasing bubbles, warming it up, thinning it down a little. And you have to be careful about heating it up because it can speed up the process of curing and kind of mess it up a little bit. This situation, I think it's fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the rest on here on the bottom section, since it's all glittery and sparkly. And it's okay, I have it up here a little bit. I just don't think I want the whole thing glittery and sparkly. And I'm going to clean this cup with a paper towel so I can reuse it. Do that shortly here. Let me just see about spreading this out. Oof, whoops. Kind of grabbed the resin, grabbed my stick and lifted it. All right. Perfect. Let me just heat it up a bit. Get the bubbles out, if there are any. There's a piece of dust right there. That doesn't need to be there. Okay. Got the magic sparkle in there. This we didn't use. This, I'll just go ahead and put the lid on. Set it aside for now. Going to wipe off my stir stick so I can use it tomorrow. Spread that out. And then let's wipe it on this. And then we'll be able to use this tomorrow also. And I just like to reuse what I can, especially in supplies. We do so much waste in our art. Let's just see what we can do. Just to reuse at least one more time. Okay, that is actually good enough for our purpose. Gonna leave that there. Double check this. I'm kind of thinking I got some paper towel fibers in there, but I think I'm okay with that. And a couple, well, that's the rock, stray rock, push it back in. Yeah, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit 12 to 24 hours. And here is my food tent. If I can, it looks like it just got stuck real quick. Hang on. Okay. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. This is to prevent anything from falling into it, like that piece. Dust, anything. So, there we go. This is where it'll live for a little while. So, I will see you in the next video. Bye.